The ASEAN countries, it's where you should go to meet diverse people and bond with them all. The ASEAN countries, it's your home that keeps us united for generations to come. Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
Inside a quiet hotel room, the dim light from the bedside lamp softened the heavy atmosphere. A family sat together, not with raised voices or pointed fingers, but with eyes searching for courage to speak. It wasn't a place for arguments anymore. It was a place where silence would carry the weight of apology. Each pause, each sigh, and each glance was an attempt to mend what had been broken.
It's really quiet.
Too quiet.
Maybe silence is what we need tonight.
I'm sorry for shutting you out, for thinking work was more important.
Took you long enough.
I know.
I'm sorry too, for letting the distance grow. I thought keeping quiet would keep the peace.
But it only made the silence heavier.
I was angry. But really, I was scared of losing us.
Then, let's promise not to lose each other.
Our little peacemaker.
The room felt suspended in time, as if the world outside had paused to give them this chance. They carried scars from unspoken misunderstandings, but tonight they were willing to lay them down. It was not resolution yet, but it was the first step. A fragile bridge built in silence, ready to carry them toward healing. It wasn't a moment of loud declarations, but of quiet surrender, each of them acknowledging mistakes, regrets, and the longing to be heard. In that hushed space, love spoke louder than words ever could. Slowly, the tension gave way to a fragile calm, as though the room itself was holding their pain and offering them space to let go.
So, are you still divorcing?
We wanted to wait until the trip was over to tell you properly.
We thought about it, and maybe we've been too focused on our fights, not on what we still have.
This journey reminded us that family is worth more than winning arguments.
So, you're staying together?
We're going to try. Really try.
Finally, some honesty. I can handle the truth. I just couldn't handle the silence.
I'm sorry, Sarah. Sorry, Jason. We thought hiding things was protecting you.
But you both are stronger than we thought.
Stronger because of you two, even if you messed up.
Fair enough.
So, sequel?
Yes, a new chapter.
Not perfect, but together.
By the time the night grew deeper, words had become fewer, yet their meaning had grown stronger. As Linda and Danny held each other's hand, it signaled a new beginning, one that spoke of trust slowly returning. In that hotel room, they found not just the silence of apology, but the quiet start of forgiveness. Stay tuned for the next episode as they continue their journey through Myanmar.